use. More details from our political correspondent, thirdly.
For some time, ministers have been pledging to bring down the large taxpayer bill for hotel rooms for migrants. As well as being expensive, many of the hotels proved deeply unpopular with local communities. Earlier this year, the government started using the controversial Bibby Stockholm badge for a small number of migrants, but in recent weeks some hotels have stopped housing them, including in areas like Northampton and Kettering. The Immigration Minister Robert Jenrick will confirm today that the government wants to close 50 hotels by January. Government sources also say they hope to close a total of 100 by March.
The government has told schools in England that they must share material used in relationships, sex and health education lessons with parents. In the latter, the Education Secretary Gillian Keegan...
Morning, South. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm okay. Just a bit annoyed that I closed it straight too early. It was such a nice entry. Like I could just close now. 50 points, 3 contracts, but I cannot trade this way when I don't have brackets.
Why not? Why can't? Why do you need the brackets?
Because if I'm not looking at the screen or doing something and I cannot, I won't feel well. Like it will be.
This long-awaited autobiography, The Women in the News outlets today. The 41-year-old's life story so far has been well documented, including her early fame with hits like Baby One More Time, mental health problems, and the highly publicised conservatorship of her father.
It's going crazy.
The singer told the story herself. Amy Carr, who directed the Netflix documentary Sydney versus...
Yeah, now it's too late to touch it. The worst thing is...
Yeah, I was talking all summer how it's the best time to buy when no one was talking about it. Everyone thinking it was dead, and I had like $3,000 in crypto, but I spent it all because I have like a card. Because I don't know, I spent my money.
That's annoying.
Yeah, it's super annoying. But I mean, I would need to spend it anyway, because it would be in my bank or it would be in crypto, but I just chose to be the money to be in crypto. And that was literally like all my money that I worked for over the summer though. Okay, long entry coming up.
No, I got a short entry actually, quite nice. But I am not ready to take a shorts yet.
Jak się dogada ze swoimi nowymi kolegami partyjnymi, którzy popierali choćby zakaz hodowli zwierząt na futrach i przygotowaną przez rolnicze związki 12 dla rolnictwa, będzie też rozpoczynających się dzisiaj rozmowach z prezydentem Dudą, o których mówiliście, z prezydentem Dudą, rzecz jasna. No i ja już teraz serdecznie zapraszam na 8:02 do usłyszenia. Zapraszam do RMF24, do Interi.pl, do RMF przede wszystkim.
Emmanuel Macron tuż przed 7 wylądował w Tel Awiwie. Jest kolejnym zachodnim przywódcą, który odwiedza Izrael po Amerykaninie Joe Bidenie, Niemcu Olafie Scholzu i Brytyjczyku Rishi Sunaku.
Przekazać ma wyraz solidarności z Izraelem, sprawdzić na miejscu działania na rzecz uwolnienia obywateli Francji uprowadzonych przez Hamas, ale również usłyszeć mamy apel o stworzenie palestyńskiego państwa.
W faktach teraz nasz korespondent Marek Ładysz z planem wizyty francuskiego prezydenta.
Emmanuel Macron najpierw postanowił spotkać się z rodzinami,
Nice sell.
którzy zaginęli pod wpływem ataku Hamasu.
No, I wouldn't short here.
Jedna francuska jest przetrzymywana przez tę
We're trending. We're trending hard.
I know, but actually they need a bit of the retracement now, and the other thing is there is quite a lot of the news today morning.
Really?
Yeah. There is, the Europe is red, really, till 9:30 there are news all the time.
Czas na fakty ekonomiczne w RMFFM, na który zaprasza Maciej Sztyga.
But we can go higher before we drop.
Yeah, they can go.
Rada Ministrów przedstawiła projekt ustawy o wakacjach kredytowych.
My target by the end of the week is 15,300 or higher.
Yeah, rejection yesterday was beautiful.
It wasn't really a rejection though, because we broke everything. We broke monthly lows, and
They just grabbed the stop loss from all of the loans you chose there.
yeah.
Przychody Rosji ze sprzedaży gazu i ropy spadły w tym roku niemal o połowę, mówi mi analityk sektora energetycznego Wojciech Jakubik z Biznes Alert. Ale to nie wystarczy. Sankcje to maraton, a nie sprint. Należy je uszczelniać, bo gdzie są luki, należy je poszerzać, bo wciąż nie ma embargo chociażby na gaz rosyjski. Z danych wynika, że Rosja sprzedaje obecnie mniej surowców niż przed wojną w Ukrainie, mniej na nich zarabia, ale sprzedaje je po rekordowych cenach. A te są rekordowe m.in. przez inwazję, przez sytuację na Bliskim Wschodzie, ale także pakt naftowy z Arabią Saudyjską, mówi mi Jakubik. Ile wyniosła stopa bezrobocia we wrześniu?
I'm just happy I was right about my thesis.
Urząd Statystyczny spodziewany jest podobny wynik jak
That they come down, they break all the support and everything, and then they just bought it all up.
kosztuje 4,17 zł, euro 4,45, frank sprzedawany jest po 4,68, a funt
But it was a major fucking bear trap.
15 groszy.
Radio, muzyka, fakty. RMFFM.
Sorry, top podcasts from Apple UK unofficials updates are not available right now. Sorry, Bloomberg opinions updates are not available right now. In weather, right now in Longthorpe, it's 10 degrees Celsius with showers. Throughout the day, you can expect more of the same, with a high of 11 degrees and a low of 3 degrees. That's all for now. Wukash, there's nothing on your calendar for the remainder of the day.
92 was my entry short.
Today, in Longthorpe, the air pollution level is low, with an air quality index of 2.
That you missed or you got in?
Oh no,
Right
did
now
I
in
miss?
Longthorpe, it's 10 degrees Celsius with
Because I
showers.
was still setting up
Throughout
the
the
PC.
day, you can expect more of the same, with a high of 11 degrees and a low of 3 degrees.
But with everything going on in crypto, they're getting ready to dump on the fucking retail. Because most people were waiting for it to get above 30K, and now they're thinking it's probably gonna go to 100K, and that's just not gonna fucking happen. Maybe in a couple of years, sure, Bitcoin can go to 100K, but not now.
Everybody got the very big wish.
Especially in crypto. When it comes to crypto, these motherfuckers are relentless. They wish they have high hopes for the coins. The thing is also though, you have these people that put $200 in Bitcoin and be financially free in a couple of years. It's that's not gonna happen, you know.
Yeah.
You already missed the move from $10 to 30K. What makes you think it's gonna do something like that again?
Yeah, everybody is so wishful. Alexa, play Bloomberg.
Launching Bloomberg Euro.
Italy on the 17th of November, Moody's revealed Italy's rating, and we have a triple B minus
I told what I was saying yesterday too when I was talking to you. I said it's so hard to be bearish anymore when every time we've seen a move down, it just gets bought up even more. I mean, yesterday's buy up was crazy. It was like 330 points from the low.
Yeah.
And it was one of those days where they're just slowly buying. It wasn't one of those days where you just had like massive moves up. It was just slow. And then end of the day, they had a little bit of a pump. And then retracement. But I mean, like I said, I guarantee you, like 90% of retail is short right now. I can almost guarantee that.
On crypto?
Yeah, they were on on crypto, no. I would say no on indices, on the stock market. I guarantee you 90% of retail is thinking is short. But yeah, on crypto, everyone was short or everyone that was retail was thinking it was going to go down to 12,000. And then it pumped up 10% in one day. So
yeah, short in play and too late for it. Long no yet.
it's only 3 ATR? What the fuck?
Yeah, the Sydney had a better ATR.
Really?
Yeah.
What the hell is that then?
This morning, this Tuesday morning, Liberty will check it out. Fixed income strategies at Big Take Wealth Management really announced their assist there and the take on these bond markets. Thank you. Let's get to some of the other top world stories on the Bloomberg terminal today. Sources say Nvidia is using ARM holdings to develop chips that will challenge Intel processors in personal computers. PCs ratcheting up competition between the two semiconductor makers. Nvidia, whose AI accelerator that's already dominate that market, is attempting to make central processing unit for PCs, CPUs that run Microsoft's Windows operating system.
They usually kind of pumped a little bit. It's interesting. Yeah, I mean, even in Asia, you can tell every sell-off is just getting bought up. Buy short, buy.
Actually, yeah, I'm in long.
Yeah, there you go. I'm in long with you at 83.
I got my signal to go long, so let's see.
I was not really seeing what you saw with the short. I mean, at the top maybe, but not. Mm-mm. I'm hoping that London can just carry on this long until at least 8:05. Then we got resistance at 8:05, but it should give us at least like 20 points with the long.
8:25 is what I'm thinking.
Yeah. That's 25. That's what I have. That's what I would PP at. So, you watched that video on that one Top Step?
Yeah, I was watching it live.
That guy's fucking like a little bit of a nutso.
Yeah.
Fucking 15 contract. He's like, in the way he talked about the daily loss limit, like, yeah, I hit it most days. What the fuck?
Yeah, but when he not hit it, then he got a huge wins, which they paying for that.
Yeah, I mean, but he said he's only been trading futures since like June or July or something. Did you hear that?
Excuse me?
He said he's been only trading futures for like a couple months.
Yeah.
And that's crazy. I don't know. I don't know if, like, it seemed like he was doing really good on options, so I don't know why he would switch, to be honest. But I did agree with him. I did agree with him on how he said he'd rather make 10K in one day or make all his money in one day than a little bit every day, because that's what I like to do, actually. Like, it's harder to do, but he's right. Then you can like actually stay the fuck out of the market, and you don't have to look at the charts.
make your mind to rest from it.
Yeah, and that way you're not gonna risk losing that money, because you're gonna be off from the market, so you're not gonna be putting any risk on.
Yeah.
You know, I did agree with him on that, actually, a lot. Like, most people don't think like that, but I think if you can manage the risk and you make a lot in like one session, you start risking more in the other session. I think that's the way to go, with proffers at least. Maybe not in a live account, but
actually,
like, also
with the live account as well, make the same sense. If you can just manage the risk the same way, keep up your daily stop loss limit, and do not go more than it is, then that's the best one.
Yeah, I mean, that trader also, he sent you that like YouTube video on that guy that talked about psychology a lot. The one with like when you're fearful, you're hopeful, and when you should be hopeful, you're fearful.
Yeah.
So I was watching more of his video, and he was talking about the same thing. He was talking about how if he's winning in a day, he's gonna increase his size. He's gonna increase his bet size. The more he wins, the more risk he puts on.
Yeah, this is what I was doing yesterday on demo account. Actually, that's amazing.
Yeah, that's like what every good trader is talking about. That I've seen.
You adding till you see, okay, there is nothing more. I will cash it now, and that's it.
Yeah. I mean, he was also talking about how when traders make money, they're way more, they put less risk on because they're scared to lose the money, or they don't want to trade anymore because they're scared of losing the money, which I found was super interesting too. Because I think if you're on the winning streak, if you're feeling confident and you're on the winning streak, you should definitely be putting on more because that's when you're on a roll. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because when that losing streak comes and you're not doing so hot, you're not going to be able to trade with that size as good because you're going to be losing. And I want it to give us at least 800 on this. Okay, so there's something I love about the algo candles, but there's some things that I hate about them also. 4 hour. How's the small looking? Where are we looking on small? Oh shit! So we fucking rejected the expensive box on small. What the fuck?
Not so bad. I am still okay.
But on auto, we didn't even come up. What auto's been bigger lately than small? Have you noticed
That what?
that the auto setting has been bigger than the small?
Yeah. Yesterday was very clear.
I gotta get used to the 4. My brain is still fucked up from the 4 hour because, like, every time it gets into the expensive box or the cheap box, I've just seen so many times where it rejects off it and that's the low or high of the day. And so it's so hard for me on those trending days to stay in the move if I have a long or to not go short. Like, either way, it's hard for me. Like, if I was in the long, it's hard for me. If I was in the short, it's even harder for me. How many contracts do you go with?
One, but I wanna close it. I think so because it look like dollar wanna go higher. So we should get the rejection. I am 5 points up.
I'm waiting for 10 points. I have 2 contracts. I would wait a little more. I think 800 is not too far.
Yeah, that's.
There's 10 more points. That's your TP too?
The new high, yeah.
Yeah. Have you also noticed how during the past weeks, every move that London has done, Bloomberg has reversed the whole move and way more? Koltun, have you noticed that?
Yeah, I'm just checking something because okay. This one is not accepting my gold trade. It's don't wanna go up because not accepting value area. So go to test the low. But the candles are nice and green, so I'm not getting,
Would that then solidify this move higher for Bitcoin? Does it make it more sustainable?
It's hard to tell. There's a big difference between the macro environment now and we had last Bitcoin.
Yeah, I really got to start trusting these green strip candles and the white contrarian. It just really tells you if you're trying to go short when candles are green, especially on conservative, and then the contrarian candles click on, it's not a good idea. The only time there's one exception I made, I put in one rule for this, is that if I like the level a lot, I'll go short against the white candles or long. But it has to be a very good level. Like, it has to be in the super cheap box. There's multiple confluences for me to get in that then.
Okay, we should go to 48, like 50 area.
Not without the pump, or
Yeah.
pump it to 800. 805. That's the level you want to CP at. 805 is a very good level. I made yesterday. It's we've got 2 New York opening ranges there, and let's see what else I got on my game plan. So yeah, 805 is New York's opening range, London's low, Friday. So New York bottom, opening range, London low, most of the Tokyo low, and then we have also New York's top opening range from Friday, October 6th. So I got like 3 opening ranges on that level. Very nice. I'm gonna actually be seeing if we can break that. Above 773 though, I'm long. I'm not even looking for shorts. Because we're trending. We're up on we're up on a 23% fib, we're above it, so I'll count that as trending. Yeah, we should see 800 at least now.
Very big buying volume, and we rejected from the value area high. That's not good. 20 minutes to open.
I don't care, I'm not touching the shorts. We're getting out of the wall.
No, I'm not touching the short as well, but I'm worried that I'll need to close my long. Yeah, fuck it. I'm closing it. 40 bucks in profit, I will get a better entry later. And I should close it at the top where I saw it retesting the top. Now you're going up. Not re-entering it, definitely not.
You were good until 800.
I know I didn't like the drop and I had a sell signal, which today actually the signal was, but now the signal disappeared. The candle didn't close and I closed my trade too early.
Yeah, I'm staying in. Everything's green. At least to 800. I'll be looking if that breaks. Otherwise, then I'm just gonna know that we're ranging for this London session. Be interesting if London can just fucking spike in 15 minutes, but I would like to get TP1 before that. So wait, was the guy on top FBV, does he trade on the Express account?
Yeah.
Oh, they were probably fucking pissed to give that payout.
Yeah, but then he got to the founded. And as well with the Express account, sometimes they putting your trades, if they seeing that that actually the trades are good, that somebody is making the money, they will put them.
Yeah, I know, I heard that, but the risk manager that was talking to him was like, kind of like, I don't know, kind of said he had no risk management. It was kind of funny. He was like, I already hit the daily loss limit today, and he's like, yeah, we know.
But he was happy about that. What do you want?
Yeah, that's the fucking weird. Well, he made 60 grand. Of course he's happy. He probably don't care now. He could lose that fucking account and not care.
Yeah.
I would not care if I lost a funded account after making 60 grand on one trade. Fuck it. I'll go. I could full forward the rest of that account.
So he would draft more than 60k from them because he withdraft. He had 128k and he got 40 something now. So yeah, he withdraft about 80k.
Oh, did he get half of that though, or no?
More. He withdraft about 80k by now.
Oh, okay. He made 120k?
Yeah, 128. It was the
what the fuck?
It was his high peak.
Jeez Louise. The fuck is wrong with these people?
Nothing. Actually, this is how I want to trade as well. And I just need to get my 15 contracts back because I fuck up and I'm back to 3 contracts. I need to get my 15 contracts back and I will be trading the same way.
Does he trade on a 150k account, I'm guessing?
Excuse me?
Does he have a 150k account?
Yeah, 150.
I'm guessing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the way to go. That account is very nice, honestly. $3,000 being lost and 4,500. It's like almost a 5 grand live account if you get funded.
Yeah, we're opening 3 accounts. This is what I done yesterday with demo trade. I open 4 accounts, then I add 4 accounts, then I add 2, and I add 2 contracts. And I allow the price to go up.
Have you ever traded with 15 contracts on the Express?
No, not yet, but I will. Now I will.
No, you will. Why? Because you sound like a guy, or?
No, because I can see this make a sense actually. When you see when we got this size of the swings and you see the price going your way, it's perfect. I'll be adding
It's,
up and that's it. The worst case scenario,
Oh,
I'll be
yesterday.
pushing the stop loss to be always in profit and that's it.
Yeah, I think, yeah, you either have your stop loss in profit or you have your position at break even. If you're doing that adding contracts, so did you see like yesterday's day? That was the perfect day to add contracts. That whole day, every pullback on yesterday, I just looking at it's if you were in long, instead of fearing to lose the position, you should have been adding all the way up.
Yeah.
Every single pullback you should have been adding like one contract, two contract. The thing is though, I don't know how you add them. Like if you would add them like 3 minis at like a time, or you just go 1 mini and 1 mini, or like how do they get up to 15?
Ooh, oil. Oh la la, I really want to go higher. It looks like they want to push it on the open.
London?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just hoping it gets up to 800. 803 would be my TP. For one contract at least.
Fuck, sucks.
Ooh.
I'm so upset now.
I don't care. I fucking told myself yesterday the losing streak is ending today. Oh, our white candles turn. Oh, yes. Fuck yeah. Keep them on, baby.
I am too try to be really too secure now. That's annoying.
Keep those bad boys on. No, fuck. I just put my stop at break even. Just Okay, 805. There's nothing stopping you from 805. Can we get to 8? Can we get another 2 points? Ooh. No, we're so fucking bullish. Like I said, we're so fucking bullish. I'm honestly bullish. I think we can hit 15,500 by the end of the week. I'm not even kidding. It's just every time we drop, it's the same shit over and over. I just wish I realized it sooner. Every time they fucking drop it, they just buy it up. It's every time. We're not bearish at all. We're still bullish. Like they're just playing a little below the levels that they should be, but that's okay.
Fuck you. Okay, that's the level actually.
Don't short.
I know, but 799 it was for me looking like a level that probably max for now. And it's happening before the open 10 minutes, so I want to see what they will do. And very big rejection from 799.
I have my stop at break even, so I'm fine with losing this profit, but I just want to see 803 and then come up to 805 and see what we do there.
entire sector, so this could be a bit of a relief. OMA has actually outperformed the big local LVMH due to the fact that they invested early in production, and that shielded them from a lot of increased costs.
Nice.
I think so. We'll be dropping 789, 780, yeah, 790. I will be trying to buy there.
Okay. Hey, 4 more fucking coins. Yeah, you give it to me now. Because I have been taking a fucking beat down by the market.
Okay, so yeah, that will be very hard for them to break it now, that area. I am really so tempted to short here.
I wouldn't just yet. If you're going to short, I would wait a little, but I'm not, like I said, I'm not looking at shorts. That's why we can crack this. Yep. Okay. Push that shit up.
Yeah, so night. Yeah, we'll be 15 points up now.
I'm hoping London can just push the shit higher right when it opens.
Not only.
But I have not a good feeling that it's gonna do that.
As well, that I had a nice entry long on oil and didn't enter. I don't know, because yesterday I had this shit day and I lost it. So I got like, I'm scared to fuck up.
Yeah, but imagine what I've been going through for fucking 2 weeks.
But
I've been having the
I know,
worst.
but this is when you really start to trading really bad, when you got this kind of the feelings. It means that I should stop trading for a few days.
Yeah. No, that's what happened to me. I started losing. Went on 2-3 day losing streak. I was like, okay, we're just taking a little bit of a pullback. Next thing I know, I can barely fucking win a single trade for 2 weeks now. I've been almost losing every trade I've taken. They weren't even bad trades. They were fine. They were fine trades. They were good trades, and I just keep fucking losing them. That should be TP right there, right? That should have been TP. That should have gone filled. Oh, you fucker.
How many points you taking for TP? No, you don't want a 10, you want a 20?
20 points right there with 2 minis.
Yeah, I would be as well. 20 points now. Fuck side. I'll be more than that. And yeah, RTYYM really going high.
Nice.
Kurde, jego mać.
Hey, don't think about it. Just wait for
I know.
another.
This is what I'm saying. I will be waiting for the price to drop. If you know, if you
Don't get pissed off, cause
I know. If you won't drop, then I wouldn't trade. I'll just go sleep and that's it. Because the best thing is my entry was yeah, cool. Yeah, this is what I should do. Just keep it this way.
I could have even held my contracts. That's something I need to get better at doing. Is just like not even having a TP and just reading what's on the chart. Okay, white candles. This says nothing to even take off a contract. Like I should just be staying in the 2 minis. I should be staying in. Because that's that's 5 points from my TP. And TP1 at 20 points with 2 minis is pretty fucking good, I think.
Yeah.
But I'm saying I want to get to the point where I can just hold these things and see what I'm seeing on the chart and exit based off that. Not exit based on a TP or when I want to take profits. Because look, now we're up. They're coming 10 points higher. So why even exit? Why exit one? Why take one contract off at 30 points? Why not just move my stop up and let the 2 contracts ride, if anything?
This is what I was doing earlier. I was getting like a bigger amount of the contracts to run it.
Yeah, I mean that's
how I was making the money, and then yeah, yesterday came and really I think so this trade was just to weak me off. It was really took me off at the and ran up and whatever was done. I was catch the bottom of the day was my stop loss.
I could even add a couple contracts if we come back down.
RTYYM dropping quite aggressive. Yes, as well drop more than NQ.
NQ looks like it's strongest. Yeah, London just dropped it, so I mean I'm glad I got the TP because I didn't want to risk it with London opening, but like I said, I want to get to the point where I'm just trailing my stop with like 3 minis instead of even taking a TP. Because if I can get 100 points with 3 minis and just trail my stop and be okay with losing the money that I made,
yeah.
I can make so much fucking money. I mean, that's 6K on 100 points.
Yep.
I would be done training for the week if that happened. Like, if I got 6K in one day and was able to withdraw it, I'd be fucking done. I'd maybe go on demo or something. I wouldn't trade my funded account though.
I will be probably off screen for like 2-3 days.
This week?
No, I saying if I will just get this amount, I will be off screen for like 2-3 days just to clear the mind.
Oh. Yeah, but I mean, what you had bad day yesterday? I've had bad days.
It wasn't really bad. It wasn't really bad day. I lost money. I lost money much more than I should. But it was bad because the way which took my stop loss and just go the other direction. This was like.
Yeah. Those are the most frustrating days. But I've had like I've had everything happen in between that. These past 2 weeks, I've had my stop loss get taken out, and then we go down 100 points. I'm not even kidding. I've had fucking times where I didn't enter because I got scared because I was losing. To go 100 points. I can't. I don't even know. There's so much shit that's I've been mentally. I've been fucked up. Have you ever got that gotten to that point where you're like you start losing quite a bit and then you kind of don't even like know what you're doing a little bit. You get confused.
Yeah, you
get
don't
confused.
you don't care that you're losing anymore. You are just fuck it. I lost that much, I can lose more.
Yeah. No, but that's not the thing. I'm more like I'm just confused at what I'm seeing. Like I'm confused what I'm seeing on the charts. Like I can't after losing, I just can't read the charts properly. That's what happened to me. That was the worst feeling ever because I didn't even think like I couldn't feel like I knew how to trade. Like that's how I've been feeling. Like I didn't know what I was doing. It's just I'm getting confused at what I'm seeing, what I'm doing. I'm like, is this the right trade? Is even what I'm entering correct? I don't know if you've ever had that, but that's probably the worst.
Yeah. Surely that's a good shot now.
I'm not touching it. I got my long. I got my.
I want them to go back and previews for hour.
Yeah, to go long, but I wouldn't short here. Not with the white. We're above 805. Look, this can keep running until 870. My next level, but it won't go there because I don't think London will have 100-point move. I would be very happy though. That would be 2K in the bank if we got there. Let me look where I have next, but I have if we're above 805. Oh, okay. We have that's okay. We have 12% fib at 810, but it looks like I think we could come to yesterday's high. Yeah, we rejected off that 12% fib. That's like the only thing standing in the way of going higher, to be honest. Okay. Koltun, next level is 870. Depends on how we do on this 12% fib though.
Okay, they've got the delta is on minus.
We're so fucking bullish, holy fuck.
Yeah.
I might actually be adding another contract on a pullback. Or just be keeping this one mini. My fucking gosh, dude. See, this is what I'm saying. When I'm in these winning positions, I'm selling way too early. I just hate the TP off and just trail my stop. This is 20 points higher, dude. TP1 was at 20 points. Like what the fuck?
Yeah, I will be now on 35 points.
Yeah, I'm almost up 40 points here. No, 50. Almost. No, 40. I'm at 40 points. Don't touch the shorts.
I'm not
Trust
touching.
me.
I'm not touching it.
Don't touch them. We can have a drop, but I think it will only be a pullback for the long. To continue, I don't see anything until 870.
I just closed the gold, 250 up. That was nice.
You could wait for a pullback on Nasdaq to
No,
go long.
I just closed the long on a gold for 250 bucks.
Oh, okay. I'm looking for 100 points. I'm looking for 870 next, or 850 for. We'll see how we can do at that New York high, but it looks like we're coming for it. What a nice long, though. I mean, seriously.
Yeah, they've got only one more POC to close it above us. It's 5040.
What is P? I know what POC is, but what are you talking about? That they move POC, because isn't POC just previous open close?
No, POC it's a price of control.
Well, POC is also
price of control.
What?
No, POC is only one. Price of control. And from Thursday we got a POC at 15041.
I thought POC the previous open close.
No. Price of control. Actually, we should go to 488, 490 on this 4 hour. I wanna see what they will do.
14,880.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I'm thinking they will come back to previous 4 hour and then they will go from it.
I hope not. I hope they don't go that low. The thing is, if I get out of my long now, I know I'm going to be fucking pissed off if I get 100 points. So I'm not touching it. I need to learn how to ride the trend better. No, fuck yeah. That's 40 points. Most yesterday losses all wiped out if I take this trade out now, but I'm not going to. You know what the worst days are is when you take good trades and you still lose. I can't. That's something that's been so hard for me to handle.
Yeah, I really like the way where we reject at the bottom. That was really amazing. Perfect rejection.
That's 100 points up from your entry in Asia.
Checking it now. Yeah,
I don't know.
exactly 100 points. Yeah, and this will be like open 3 contracts and forget. Close now and see you in 2 days, 3 days.
Why forget though?
Yeah, just cash it down on 100 points. But it was really nice, I can see.
No, but the thing is with 3 minis you can't. I don't know. I don't know about you. I can't do that with 3 minis. I can just like leave it.
You saw that I was doing like I was keeping 5 minis for 100 points sometimes, but now I just need to go back. My mind need to go back to this kind
Really? You're keeping 5 minis for 100 points? You didn't even sell one at PP?
Yeah.
Jeez, the fuck. I'm not at that point yet. The most I've held, I think, is like a mini for 100 points. It's not bad, but my goal is 3 minis. 3 minis for 100 points. I want to do that.
I want my head to go back to the area.
When was that?
2 weeks ago.
Yeah, 2 weeks ago is when I was making fucking crazy money. I was making like 4K in a day, 3K on my other account, and then it just all went to shit.
I tried to sell it now for like 10-15 points, but for some reason Ninja didn't allow me to sell that. So I'm not trying it again.
That's a sign.
Yeah. Yeah, it's true. It's really it happened to me a few times that I was having like pressing the button till execute and then the trade was losing. So even if you sell it,
really?
It means don't sell it. It's not my trade to be taken.
Market maker giving you a hit. Yeah, that was actually a good short though.
Tell me now. Yeah, I've got the.
But this is just an entry long though.
It was 820, so yeah, I'll have my 10 points now.
I would be really disappointed if we just come back down to my entry. I mean, we're trending now too. Like, what the fuck? I'm gonna be buying up every pullback. Only like 30 points up now.
No way. Don't tell me you're dropping now.
Yeah, that's tough. That is very tough. I think we're gonna have a huge move this week. Up. You want to know my target?
Yeah.
It's 15,500. No, 15,400 first, but then I don't see anything actually even stopping from all-time highs. Actually, what I think is gonna happen is big boys are gonna sell their bags in crypto and pump the shit out of the stock market. That's what they do. They go from crypto to stock. They put money in. They put one in the other and keep doing that all the time. But it really seems like they don't like to sell. I feel like they just like buying everything up. Is that true?
1 second, so I just keep checking something. I'm looking for my entry. Give me a second. I'll come back to you in a second. Yeah, oil going up. That was really nice entry for it, but okay. This is around and close exactly where it could. The short was really nice. Fuck. I don't wanna go it now, but still the short is good for another at least 20 points. Okay, so sorry, what you was talking?
I was saying that the big boys seem like they like to buy everything up a lot more than sell it off.
Yeah, and as well, I don't know actually why they're doing that, because the strange thing is we've got the bonds going up and they are so high. Okay, yesterday they got
Yeah.
a bit of the heat, but it's not the best area for them to buy everything, and they buying whatever is going down, they buying it.
Yeah, that's what I'm confused about. Everything, every time we go down, they just buy all that shit up all the time. They've been doing that. That's like for the past month now. I just haven't seen it. That's what they've been doing. All these like, even this 200, 300 point moves down. It's just a bigger move up. I mean, I don't know. I don't know what the fuck, but they're buying everything up. But maybe that's a sign.
Ooh, I
Maybe
am
we're going.
so happy I closed the gold.
Is it going down now?
Yeah.
For me, how I'm seeing how everything's reacting though, I'm more on the side of seeing all-time highs before 14K. Just think about how perfect that is to dump on retail though.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And see, you got like what, the 15 points with the short, but it's just gonna be a pullback for the long. That was good long entry right there at 810 or 805. I mean,
Yeah, 200 moving average.
then I got my level there too. Like, this is one of those trades where I just need to like shut the computer off, put my stop at break even, and come back in like an hour or two, or just bet a CP at like 870 for 100 points.
Yeah.
Because I know if I watch it, it's gonna fuck with my head. I'm gonna want to get out and flip short, and then I'm gonna lose money trying to short it because I thought it was gonna go down.
YM is already at the top, so NQ look like it's the weakest. Yeah. NQ LTY, YM and ES, they are much stronger.
I didn't realize until I like looked at the charts of ES and NQ work together, but they're like the move, like they have the exact same like market structure. Like they move the exact same almost. Like yesterday, I looked at ES on that drop in London with when NQ dropped,
Yeah.
and it was like the exact same chart that I was looking at. Like literally the exact same, like the move up before the drop, and it was the exact same.
That's interesting rejection. Still the shots they're good, but you're not shorting here on a VWAP extension when we setting up the range. Yeah, so my entry short was spot on. 820, yeah, it will be 15 points now almost. And the oil, yeah. The buy on oil for me was somewhere here, 85.76.
This is the markets today, 24 almost 24 minutes into the European trading day. You're seeing almost gains across the European benchmark of a tenth of a percent with a growing picture over in France at 0.3% in the capital market. Across the sector, basic resources up 2.3%, autos down 5/10 of a percent, the biggest loser across your sectors. Worst bank was happening in the banking space as well, currently down 5/10%, close to 5/10% on the banking sector. Barclays is part of the story there. That stock plummeted after UK London missed estimates at its investment bank's Wells Glide Sports domestic business for the second consecutive quarter. It also seemed plans to reduce structural costs in future. Tom Epcot, Bloomberg's finance managing editor from EMEA, joins us now for the details. Tom, your reaction to the results under Barclays, what kind of reaction?
Okay, so yesterday actually the delta was minus on New York on close.
The retail spaces in the UK, the banks saying, look, it's just a tough environment out there, we're having to sort of pay up to keep customers. So that's one big thing that seems to be probably the largest thing that's going to be driving these shares down, or also sort of adding UK level school as you expect Rolls and West down.
Yeah, there's a few negative dynamics going on here as well. Revenue is the investment bank seems to be part of the conversation. We've got intelligence analysts saying that what they delivered falls short of what was delivered by US peers in that area. Also, they asked a lot about cost cutting and headcount and what they're doing about it.
Yeah, absolutely. So the investment bank, I think Ben's out on the call described it as pockets of underperformance. So exactly, they missed fixed income, by a few percent. So that is disappointing, as you say. The US bank largely did better. And then there was a very intriguing line in the results about the fact we know they're doing a big strategic review, and they were talking about structural costs, sort of trying to pull that business perhaps in the fourth quarter. So no clear clarity on what that is, but that's interesting.
It sounds like that strategic review is going to keep you and the team busy. For Barclays as those details come out. When it comes to Europe, very different story for that Italian number.
Yeah, absolutely. They saw net interest margin increase. It's a very strong quarter all around. I think the executives are talking about how do we deal with this sort of extra revenue, what are we going to use with it. The interesting
Very slow London.
Right? And there they were saying, look, we can kind of use this get out clause, which effectively is boosting their capital reserves. So it doesn't look like they will pay that windfall tax, and you can probably assume most Italian members will follow a similar strategy.
Thanks very much. report in the everybody analysis around Barclays and Munich Credit, the divergent stories around European banking this morning. Coming up, we will speak to Nicolas Aguzin, CEO of Hong Kong Exchanges and Clearing. Don't miss that. It's also an interview. That's coming up next live, and the Future Investments Initiative in Riyadh will continue to monitor all the conversations happening at that event in Saudi Arabia this week.
Opened up to new pools of capital in the last year or two. Both the NBA and NHL have allowed professional investors to come in, not as individual owners, but as funds. So that's a whole new pool of capital that didn't exist before. Sort of shows a whole new asset class opening up for professional sports, not just teams, but professional sports enterprise.
I think the sophisticated analysts will be looking at this industry, and as our revenues start to get to the billions of dollars, I think that you'll see a wave of companies go public for the reason now. There's a big responsibility to be a public company. And I tell people, we're a public company already. The scrutiny that you're under in running a sports team is, I think, much higher than a public company CEO. Be prepared to do it. Just you have to be ready to be emotionally be ready to do something like that. But I think there will be one of the 3, 4, 5 best-in-class organizations that put their time into it.
Digital without chips, and I emphasize that because everybody speaks about the digitalization of the world, and I would even go a step further. There is no Green Deal without chips. So yes, it's a bit like the new oil for the future. And given some of these geopolitical tensions, especially between the US and China, it's become a necessity, I believe, to be more resilient.
That shot was nice entry. Okay, good boy.
Alexa,
stop.
Against these geopolitical tensions. And while finding it out the hard ways for the past 2 years during the pandemic, and what I mean with the hard ways that we've all seen how key industries in Europe and the US, especially in the industrial, medical, and automotive sectors, have suffered from a shortage of semiconductors.
The top news in business on Bloomberg. I see a world where financial conditions got tighter and the transition happens because we'd like to see it start down the economy as we all expected. This could not happen. So the real impact of higher costs around the globe in the U.S. in particular is not been felt yet. And so when people say that they're going to have a soft landing, I'm skeptical. Nobody covers business like Bloomberg. Context changes everything.
Okay, at least I'm happy I closed my long goal because I cashed the money.
This is Marcus today. We're going to get us into the European Trading Day here on the top stories. US Treasury yields continue running 3.5% as both yield and corporates say the rate is not too far. Barclays branches are promising estimates as the UK lender looks to cut costs. Meanwhile, in Italy, new credit climbs after raising its full-year outlook once again. Plus, bumping the trend led as reports appears as sales climb with grocery shoppers in the US and US closing with pricing dropping and handbags. So Thomas thinks that the earnings story back in focus for investors, trying to look through some volatility that we've seen in bond markets of late, no surprises, geopolitics, focus back on the earnings story, divergent picture for banks in Europe and lots of complexity around that.
And some modest optimism then on what we're seeing in terms of we also, of course, the units moving lower across the US fell, given the move up that we saw yesterday to 5%, and then that correction is moved lower, significantly moved lower. In terms of yields, maybe there's a bit of moment when it comes to what's happening, of course, in the bond market. We're doing assessing as well the data coming through from France, the softness in the manufacturing sector, and right now we have German October manufacturing, that PMI coming in at 40.
Alright, I'm leaving my phone here. I gotta do a couple stuff.
Yeah, I'll be closing. I will be closing as well because I'm not in short, and for me it's look like we're going really lower now. We're going at least to the previous 4 hour because everything started dropping. Excuse me?
You think we're going lower?
At least the previous 4 hour. Everything got big rejections except the NQ.
Alright, are you gonna end the call then? Get off?
I think so. Yeah, I think so. I will be ending the call. And I can go sleep. I will come back for London.
For New York?
Yeah, I'll be back for the New York today. As I've got
Alright, sounds good.
nice profits done in the morning.
Nice.
Okay, talk to you later. Bye.
Alright, see ya.